In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reprogram your subconscious mind to always win. Basically, reprogram your reality as well to always win, no matter what game you're playing, whether it is love, whether it is money, career, whatever it is, you always win. You just always win. If you're new here, I'm Nehal, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires because the blocks don't exist. They're only in your mind, right? So let's talk about this reprogramming. Basically, whenever a normal person is trying to reprogram the subconscious mind via affirmations or visualizations or meditations, or there are so many techniques out there, scripting, etc., what happens is first they start seeing either opposite results or they start feeling bad. They start feeling like, oh, I don't want to be disciplined, this is not working. There is like a force inside them that is stopping them to actually consciously manifest, because we are always manifesting right? We are always manifesting. And some people who don't know how to consciously manifest, they are just manifesting with their everyday thoughts. Research says that we have very few new thoughts. We are always repeating the old thoughts over and over and over again. So these normal people, when they are thinking, this one thought that you had that first 10 years ago, and you have been repeating that for 10 years. There are some thoughts that you have been repeating for 5 years, and you don't know when the original thought came from or who said it. Basically, you don't remember, but it feels like your original thought because you think and think and think, and it's like, oh, I'm this is just me. This is just me. Like, people have so many negative beliefs, such as money doesn't grow on trees, or love is not easy, love is so rare, there is no such thing as a soulmate, etc., etc. It is so hard to do XYZ basically. So this is actually resistance. Whenever you are doing something, you are met with resistance, especially like manifesting, right? You're reprogramming a system that was built years ago, and this system is running just fine. Your life is going on, right? You're here. So basically it is working for you. So why would you try to reprogram this entire system? Why would you do that? And when you try to do that, you're met with resistance, you're met with conflict. There's this internal conflict. It's like, do I deserve this? Does this work for me? Am I special? There is no such thing as being a special person in order to manifest. Anyone can manifest. Anyone can manifest. Do you think all these rich people are special enough to have wealth? There are so many people out there. Do you think they are the perfect person to have their soulmate? There are people who have long lasting, happy, fulfilling relationships, marriages. Do you think they are so special that they have like achieved that perfect healing, that they're so perfectly healed? No. We actually watch so many movies where they're both messed up people, they're both going through something, but they're still so in love with each other. And not just in movies, but in real life, it happens. You don't have to be perfect to manifest love. You don't have to be perfect. Seriously. Because your soulmate, the person that is made for you, will love you for the way you are. You don't have to fix your broken parts or whatever you have made yourself to think, because someone years ago told you that, oh, this is broken about you, this there's something wrong with you. They didn't say that exact words, but they made you believe that, and you believed it, internalized it, and you have been repeating that for years and years and years. So now when someone like me comes up to you and tells you that, oh, it is actually very easy to manifest, you can actually affirm, repeat, 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 and you will reprogram your mind, you're like, ah, that's BS, it doesn't work, etc., etc. But it does work. It works like that. I'm the prime example, seriously. And there are so many beautiful examples here. There are some actors, actresses who are like going flop, and then a month or two later they come up with a blockbuster movie, and you're like, oh, where was this person? This person was always around. They just manifested that. They manifested fame and money and everything. You can have it all, everything, all at once. It is possible. It is possible, but you don't want to work for it. And honestly, it is not even a lot of work, you guys. Right, I'll cut to the chase. How to reprogram your subconscious mind, basically, to always win, whether it is love, whatever it is. You just win, always. It's basically solving this internal conflict thing, internal resistance thing. It's just like whenever you try to manifest something, something tries to stop you, and then you're like, oh, maybe I don't deserve it, maybe it's just not meant to be, maybe God is testing me or the universe is testing me. There's no one testing you, it's just your resistance. That's it. It's just a conflict, a war going on inside your mind. That's it. It's all in your mind. That's it. I know how cruel it sounds, but it is true. Someone had to say it. I am saying it. I'm just being honest. Really. It's all in your mind, really. How to solve this internal conflict? How to basically have zero resistance? Okay. There is one method. It's basically like affirming. Is like you affirm that I just have things easily. I just get everything easily. I just get everything easily. But for some people, it's like, I don't like affirming, whatever, whatever. So you don't have to do that. But affirming is the easiest thing to get there. It's just like an affirmation is actually a thought. It is a thought, really. It is a thought. And the more you repeat it, the more it gets stuck in your mind. It's like, oh, I actually get things easily. I actually get things easily. I actually get things easily. And then you are just waiting for a bus and the bus just comes in few seconds and then you're like, oh, I actually get things easily. I actually get things easily. And the coffee machine that doesn't work suddenly starts working. Then you're like, oh, actually, I get things easily. I get things easily. Another thing is timers. Timers. Basically, having 10-minute timers on your phone or 15-minute timers, whatever you want. Start with 5-minute timers if you want. So I did 10-minute once, actually. I would put my phone on 10 minutes and then I would focus on the thing that I want. And I would focus on the person that I want, like whatever you want to. You can also focus on multiple things at a time as well. But anything that you want, any person that you want, only the things that you want, only the people that you want. That's the only rule. That's what you think about. But you think in a way that you already have it. I know people hate it when it's like, but I don't have it. How do you think? Oh, you think like that. You imagine things every day. You imagine worst case scenarios. You imagine, oh my God, what if my boyfriend breaks up with me? But your boyfriend is doing just fine. But you're imagining that. You're imagining various worst case scenarios, negative things. Sometimes you are even imagining good things. So put a 10-minute timer and tell yourself that for these 10 minutes, I'm going to imagine positive things as if I already had it. It's like I'm lying on a beach wearing swimwear and drinking coconut water. The water is so clean and green and I love it. I love it. I love it. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how I manifested a trip to Thailand. Yeah, you can do that. I'm walking on a street and there's just so much snow around. I'm wearing a thick winter coat. It's just so pretty. The snow is so pretty. I'm just looking at it, touching it. It's so nice. I'm here. Wow. That's it. That's how I manifested moving to Canada. I'm back home, spending time with my family. I'm fighting with my brother, making fun of him. He's teasing me. My mom is making food for me. Wow, life is so good. And that's it. Boom. That's how I manifested moving back home. And for moving back home, coming to India, I had to have a legal document, like a work permit sort of thing, which was like taking a bit of time. And I was like getting impatient. I was like, let me just manifest it. So, because to come back to India, I needed the document and I was manifesting what I was manifesting. I'm at home. End result. Focus on the end result, not in the process. We are on top of the mountain. We are not manifesting climbing the mountain. So, don't think about the in between. Think about the end. Okay, end result. Like I said. And then I manifested the work permit. I'm with this person and his voice is so nice and he's holding my hand. He's looking at me with so much love in his eyes. This is so wonderful. He's so crazy about me. Like he just asked me to be his girlfriend and we are just so official. He's just so crazy about me. He's obsessed with me. He just smiles at me so much. He blushes when I talk to him. He's just like so cute. Yeah, do this. End result. End result. How did you get here? It's like you, oh, it was so easy. Yeah, it was so easy. Like, don't, that is another point of reprogramming. One is like resistance. It's like you solve the resistance by being disciplined, by doing these timers over and over again, or by just robotically affirming, like I said, oh, my life is just easy. Yeah, he's just crazy about me. Yeah, I just have this much money in my bank account. I make money in my sleep. Money just loves me. I get paid to exist. Like, all these affirmations, robotically affirming over and over again. That's how you reprogram. That's how you solve your resistance. And then there is another thing, which is like how. People just want to know how. How did I manifest this? How it happened? How it happened? As long as it happens in a good way, as long as it happens easily, do you care? Do you care that you bumped into your soulmate or your soulmate messaged you on Instagram, saw your picture and messaged you on Instagram, or your friend actually set you up with this person, do you actually care how you met your soulmate? Do you actually care? Actually, you don't. You don't. I know you don't. So, why are you thinking so much about the how? You want a successful business? You have a successful business. How it happened, as long as it was easy and it was good, who cares? So, don't get stuck in the how of it. Whenever you get this how it happened, just tell yourself it happened in a good way. It happened easily. It happened easily. I have it. I just have it. I just have this person. I just have this thing. I just have it. Because when you actually have it, you are not thinking about how it happened. You don't care. You don't care. I don't think about how I actually went viral. I don't think about that because I've already gotten viral so many times, right? I'm already here in India and I've gone to a trip in Thailand already. And I'm already planning trips, more trips. And I'm already so successful in my business. I'm already like going viral, etc. Like everything is going great. Why would I think about how? How do you actually think about this? Like, oh, I have this beautiful thing. Now let me think about how I actually got this beautiful thing. No, you'd be so busy enjoying this beautiful thing. You would be so busy enjoying a beautiful conversation with your person to care about how it happened. Okay. So, how do you solve this how phenomenon? You solve it by saying, "Oh, it happened easily. Yeah, it happened easily." And when you focus more on the end result, this how just melts away on its own. Basically, these are the two biggest problem that people have, and I actually gave you the solution. You're welcome. If you want my help and you want to dive deeper into shifting your reality and want to know more about this, click on the first link in the description box. It's about shifting your realities and actually getting multiple desires, everything all at once. Click on it, read the details, and then sign up for it because I'm only going to take very few people over here. If you want to sign up for my one on one coaching, if you want me to talk to you personally, that link is also down below. I also have membership where we are always doing challenges. We are going to do another challenge very soon, and it's just so much fun to do. I love you guys so much. Until then, yeah, obviously, subscribe to my channel because a lot more is coming up. Comment down below what you learned from this whole video, and obviously share with the people that you care about because obviously everyone needs to know this information so everyone can get a good life, right? I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, happy manifesting.